All right, this is part 2 of subtracting 2-digit numbers. I hope you did a good job with the first 4 problems and you were able to get the whole sheet done. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and go over the rest of the questions, okay? So at this point, you probably need to have a marker or a crayon or a colored pen because I want you to correct your work, okay? All right, so let's look right here. Number 5, 84 minus 37. So where do we start? Now we're going to start in the ones place. 4 take away 7. Can you take 7 away from 4? No, that's not enough. 4 is small, so not enough. So what does 4 have to do? Borrow. So we have to regroup from the 8. Hey, number 8. Can I borrow? Okay. All right, so we're going to cross out 8. And that becomes a 7. And the 4 becomes a 14. Because remember, we're not borrowing 1 away from 8. It's like borrowing 10. That's why that's a 70 now. Even though it looks like a 7, it's in the tens place. All right, so you have 14 take away 7. Now, you should know your doubles. That's right. So what gives me 14 when I have 7? 7, because 7 plus 7 is 14. So you see how you can subtract, or if you know your addition facts, it's the same. It's just backwards. Then we do 7 take away 3, and that gives me 4. So 47. All right, number 6, 55 minus 44. All right, 5 take away 4. Can we do that? Yes. So 5 minus 4 is 1. And then 5 minus 4 is 1. So that is 11. All right, look at the next one. We have 13 take away 10. Now you can follow the same steps we've been doing, but you should be able to do this in your mind. What's 13 take away 10? 3. Now you can count backwards. You can count from 10 to 13. So put 10 in your mind. 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's another strategy to help you subtract. All right, look at this one. 73 minus 13. I can do 3 minus 3. That's 0. And 7 take away 1. That's 6. Or if you have a hundreds chart, go ahead and look at a hundreds chart. You can count from 13 and you go down the hundreds chart. 13, 23, 33, 43, 53, 63, and 73. And that means you counted 60. All right, let's do the next row. 66 minus 30. 6 take away 0, that is 6. And 6 take away 3 is 3. 36. All right, look at the next one. 58 take away 14. 8 minus 4. So we start in the ones place. 8 take away 4 is 4. And then 5 minus 1 is 4. 44 is the answer for that one. All right, let's look at number 11. Number 11, 52 minus 37. So we start in the ones place. 2 take away 7. That's right. You can't do that. 2 is not enough. So 2 has to do what? Borrow or regroup from the 5. So 2 told number 5, hey, number 5, can I borrow from you? Because 7 is trying to take 7 away from me. Okay, number 2. So we cross out number 5, and that becomes a 4. And that 2 becomes a what? 12. That's right. You're adding 10 to that 2. So 12 take away 7. All right, count with me. Put 7 in your mind. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much is that? 5. Now I know some of you already know 7 plus 5 is 12. So if you knew that, you didn't have to count with me or subtract. All right, the next one. 4 minus 3 is 1, which gives me 15. All right, look at number 12. 63 minus 43. Oh, look, that's just like this one. We can count down on a hundreds chart. 43, 53, 63. So when you look down on the hundreds charts, how many spaces down did you go? 1, 2. So how much is that? 20. 3 minus 3 is 0. 6 minus 4 is 2. See, there's lots of ways and lots of strategies that you can do to subtract. So pick the way that works best for you and that helps you the most. All right, let's look at the next one. Number 13. Uh-oh. All right, let's look at number 13. 90 minus 57. All right, let's do 0, take away 7. Oh, no. There's nothing there to take away. So what does a 0 have to do? Borrow from the 9. Number 9, can I borrow 10 from you? Okay. So 9 becomes an 8. See what we have here? See, 80. It's like having 80. But I had 90. So how much did you take away? 10. So that 0 becomes a 10. 10 take away 7. 3. 8 minus 5. 3. 33. Oh, that's weird. We have, was that not double digits? 33, 44, 11. That's right. It's like doing our 11 times table. Good job remembering that. All right, 96 minus 83. 6 minus 3 is 3. And 9 take away 8 is 1. So the answer for that one is 13. Am I blocking this with my shadow? Okay, it seems like I'm blocking this stuff with my shadow. All right, 76 minus 20. I'd start in the ones place. 6 minus 0 is 6. And then 7 take away 2 is what? 5. So you have 56 for that. And the next one, number 16. 33 minus 21. Start in the ones place. 3 take away 1. That is 2. And then 3 take away 2 is 1. Oh, look at that. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. And let's look at the last row. Number 17. All right, so we have 43. Take away 37. So we start in the ones place. 3. Let me see 3. Take away 7. That's right. You can't do it. So what does the 3 have to do? Borrow from the 4. Number 4. Can I borrow? Okay. So the 4 changes to a what? A 3. And the 3 becomes a 13. So I have 13 take away 7. So start at 7. 7 in your mind. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 6, because we know 6 plus 7 is 13. All right, 3 take away 3 is 0. So I'm going to write the 0 there. That answer is 6. Or you can just have the 6. It's the same thing. All right, number 18, 59 minus 48. So we start here in the ones place. 9 take away 8, that is 1. And then 5 take away 4 is 1. Oh, 11. We had another 11 answer. Where's that? There's another 11 for an answer. That's weird. All right, number 19. 64 minus 39. 4 take away 9. You can't do it! So we have to what? Borrow. Hey, number 6. Can I borrow from you? Okay. So we're going to cross out that 4 and the 6. The 6 becomes a 5. And the 4 becomes a what? 14. Now, if you know 9 plus what gives you 14, then you can do that. But if you need to help to count that, I'll count it with you. All right, so count from 9. 9 in your mind. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And what's that? 5. And then we have 5 minus 3 is 2. 25. Oop, on to the last one. 49 minus 26. We start in the ones place. 9 minus 6 is 3. And 4 minus 2 is what? 2. So the answer for that is 23. All right, so I am finished with my sheet. I needed for you to make sure that you corrected your work. Okay, that doesn't mean copy my answers. That means listen and learn so you can understand and do it by yourself next time. So I want you to give me a thumbs up if you got this. Miss Alana, this is so easy. Miss Alana, this is too easy for me. Thumbs up. Now, let me get a thumbs up sideways. Miss Alana, some of it was easy, some was hard. I think I'm going to practice some more. All right, and that's fine. So we're going to practice some more. If you don't understand, I want to know, though, who is ready for a challenge? Okay, because be ready. Next time, the challenge is going to be subtracting 3-digit numbers. And it's the same thing. We're going to follow the same steps, okay? So go ahead and make sure your work is done. Everything's corrected. And when you're done with that, go ahead and show it to Miss Alana. That would be me. All right.